Now, Laura and I are very sociable people. We often have people around in our garden having a few drinks and some food. So, if you're doing a garden makeover, what's the perfect item that you can build and paint? A bar, of course. So, we're building one ourselves. About this high it's going to be. It's real simple to do. I've built the frame myself out of 3x2 tannalized timber, fixed it all together, and then I'm going to clad it with this old pallet wood. Not only does it look great, it's going to serve a purpose. We've started fixing all of these down, so I'm going to lay these three in position like this, spacing them out just with a little small gap around them, and then I'm going to get my screwdriver and simply screw them in to position. Hello, my love. How are you getting on with the shelves on the summer house?
Well, I've given it 2 coats now, so it's weatherproof.
Brilliant. Well, I've come on well with the bar. I've did it 1 coat, a base coat of the Cream Dream.
Lovely. Well, I've got a bit of an idea for this bar.
Yep.
What about we paint it in Greyhound, because I love it.
Yep.
However, we start in the Greyhound because we want to be a bit creative, and then we fade it all the way through to the Cream Dream, so it gives an ombre effect.
Okay, on every individual panel.
Yep.
Brilliant. Okay, what we'll have to do then, if we start off with the Greyhound, we'll mix maybe about 5% the Cream Dream into it each time and paint each strip individually.
Well, we better get cracking then.
Come on then. An ombre effect is easy to create when painting each slat over a large area by just adding 5% of a light coloured paint into the same tin as a dark paint creates the fading effect. But always remember to wipe your brush clean before painting each slat. To top the bar off, I'm using a sheet of OSB board. Surface for about 15 minutes before firmly polishing it up using an old rag.